All right, today we're going to bring LED lights. If you guys can see it, it's a pack of 2. They give you an end to it so you could continue with the actual string. So today we're going to make it simple. We're going to put it on our tent, all around our tent, and we're going to light it up at night to see how bright it gets. So let's go ahead and set them up, and I'm going to zip tie every single one of them. Simple to set them up. They're not glass, they're plastic. They give you extra 4 of them in here in the bag. You see 4 of them extra in case one of them's bad. You can always replace it. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and let's go ahead and set it. All right, look how beautiful they look at night. Now my tent is about 10 by 20, and that's only one set of light that I use. You guys can see I didn't even use the other one. The other one's sitting there in the cardboard box, but look at this. One set of light, and the connections right here. But look at this, how beautiful they look. Very elegant. So if you're gonna have a party in here, like a tent party, this is pretty much what you're gonna have. So like I said, the tent is 10 by 20. Look how beautiful and wide it is. Awesome, and it's night right now. We're doing this. Plenty of light. So I hope you guys enjoy the video.